first one. When asked to define what your franchisees do that is different than other MSPs, what do you say?
So, I think for us, our biggest differentiator is that we have local ownership. So in each market, we have local owners that are running their business much like the customers that they're talking to. And they're supported by a nationwide network. So they're having business conversations with their clients. And we actually get this feedback from our customers, is that you speak business to me, you don't speak tech. Because your average small business owner is not technical. And I'm sure a lot of folks that are on this call today have do the same thing. So you may say, well, is that really that big of a differentiator? Our customers say it is. When we get feedback from them, that's one of the biggest things that they say. The other thing that they say too, though, is that because we are part of a nationwide network, we have access, roughly 800 technicians that all have different experiences in solving problems and so forth. So we're able internally to, if there's something that has occurred, we've probably seen it. Someone in our network has done it, they've dealt with it, and they're there to help support the local office in whatever they need to get done. So those seem to be the biggest things, having that local ownership that also is tied into this broad national network, so that they have the resources that, if they were to start out on their own, they wouldn't have those resources. So it kind of gives them that legitimacy right away in the market, and then also the fact that they're business owners themselves, and we attract, as I was mentioning before, not necessarily technical people, but people who see this as a business opportunity. So they approach it from a business owner's perspective, and as everyone on this call probably knows and understands, that's not how our industry grew up. Our industry grew up as technicians who were good at what they do, and there's some technicians that become great business owners. So I don't want to come across as denigrating that at all. But I think as a network, our owners take a different approach.